Got a lock I got off of eBay. Looked like somebody tore it off of whatever instead of cutting the lock. It's a Corbin. And what I thought was interesting about it once I got it is you can't see it here, but that first pin in there looks to me like it's got a ball bearing on the bottom of it. I've never even seen anything like that before. So we're going to try to pick this lock here. See what we got going to the back here. And finding any pins that want to cooperate with me. Let's try. Oh, I got a little movement off of one. I click on 5, solid 4. I'm hoping I'm on the pins, not on wording or something. Oh, there's a click on 1 again. Oh, we got movement. A couple clicks on 5. Another click on 1. Solid there. Ooh, we got a click. 2 clicks on 4. Solid on 3. 2. Moved a little bit. 1 again. I didn't oil this lock up, so I may find this not to work real well. Yeah, that one's solid. That one's got to be set. Feels like one's set now too. Oh, and we got it. Went back there and just touched 5. And we got her open. But yeah, that first pin, I wish I could get a light in there so you could sit. Oh, good light. Hello, light. Let there be light. Thank you. I wish I could get enough light in there where you could see that first pin. But, all right there. No, that's not the pin, though. I don't think. Light's too bright. But it looked like a ball bearing down in there. On the end of that pin. I can't tell. But, oh well. I don't know if I can rekey this, impression a key for this with that ball bearing there, but I'm going to give it a shot. So, alright, that's what I have for the Corbin padlock. Thanks for watching, everybody, and stay legal and have fun. Okay, well, this is the Corbin after I've given it a vinegar bath, wiped it off, and impressioned a key for it. So that wasn't a bad buy, and it's always nice to restore a nice old lock. Okay, thanks everybody.